Bad People, How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 7 points. Each player chooses a gray identity card and places it face up in front of them. Give each player a black picture voting card that matches each player in the game. Give each player a green double down card. Shuffle the question deck and place it face down on the table. The last player who arrived begins as the first dictator. The dictator draws the top question card and reads it aloud, then secretly votes for one of the players based on that card, by placing that player's vote card face down on the table. All the other players now secretly vote for the player they think the dictator picked. Once everyone has voted, each player reveals their votes one by one, beginning with the player left of the dictator. Once the dictator reveals, points are scored. You score 1 point if you voted for the same person as the dictator. If no player voted the same as the dictator, then the players who voted for the most popular answer receive 1 point. Mark the points on the score sheet. During voting, you may choose to play your green double down card along with your vote to score 2 points for a correct answer instead of 1. However, if you vote incorrectly, then you lose your double down card and may not play it for the rest of the game. After scoring, the role of dictator rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round is played. The first player to 7 or more points wins. If there is a tie, keep playing until there is only one winner.